Are you struggling to import thousands of contacts into HubSpot without wasting hours? Well, today I'm going to show you a lightning fast method to import over 1,000 contacts in just 5 minutes using an Excel file. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your contacts into HubSpot efficiently and error-free. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to the HubSpot homepage. If you're not logged in yet, click on the Login button and enter your username and password. Once you're in, locate the CRM option in the navigation menu and click it. Now go to the Contacts section. This is where all your contact data is stored and managed. To start the import process, look for the Import button and click on it. HubSpot will give you options. Choose Import a file. Next, select your prepared Excel file containing all your contacts. Here's a crucial tip. Make sure your Excel file is properly formatted according to HubSpot's requirements. This will prevent import errors and save you a lot of headaches. Once your file is selected, click Start Import. You'll be prompted to select the type of data and make sure to choose contacts. This step is vital because it tells HubSpot exactly what kind of data it's handling. Now, simply wait a few minutes while HubSpot processes your file. The platform is optimized for large data volumes, so importing 1,000 contacts or more is smooth and efficient. After the import is complete, double-check your contacts section to ensure all your data appears correctly. HubSpot also provides a summary of any errors, so if something didn't import properly, you can fix it right away, and that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can import over 1,000 contacts into HubSpot in under 5 minutes. If this video helped you save time and streamline your workflow, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a HubSpot tip. Thanks for watching, and happy importing.